Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Hvar MK5007 in color code 1043/2L. It's a gold wood color frame. On the top of the bridge, we have a Michael Kors logo. And over here in the left lens, the temples are a wood finish, and it has a Michael Kors logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. The other temple also has a Michael Kors logo in gold. The lenses are a green gradient color, and they are RXable. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.